Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Now today I am going to show you how to make a very healthy chocolate mousse. And this actually uses a very healthy surprise ingredient, beetroot. And beetroot is a very healthy vegetable and it actually goes really well with chocolate. And it's surprisingly sweet. And what you'll notice, once you cut down on processed food and refined sugar, you'll notice that you can actually taste more of the real natural sugars in vegetables and fruits. And they actually start tasting a lot sweeter than before, and you can get the flavour of them a lot more. So I've just boiled this beetroot in a bit of water in a saucepan until it was tender. And I've added in some spices like star anise, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon. And that just goes through the beetroot as it cooks and just intensifies the flavour. You don't have to put it in if you don't like that, but it actually really enhances it. And as you might know, spices are also very good for you. Okay, so it's all made in the blender, so it's really easy. So I put about a cup of the beetroot chunks in there. And I've also put in some fresh ginger. You could use ginger powder if you don't have fresh. And ginger is actually really good to relieve pain. And if you suffer a lot from tension or stress headaches, just stirring about a teaspoon of ginger powder into some herbal tea will really help to relieve the headaches. So I put that in. I've also put in raw cacao powder. Couple of tablespoons, and I had a tablespoon of my delicious nut butter left, so I put that in. You can use any nut butter. And I've also got coconut cream, so I'll put in 4 tablespoons of coconut cream. Okay, now we don't put any sugar into this. All we're going to use for sweetness is some dates. So I've got about 5 dates which I've soaked in boiling water just to soften them. You could use more or you could use less depending on how sweet you want it to be. So I'll just drain that and just put the dates in. Alright, now I'll just put in a teaspoon of vanilla because vanilla is such a nice flavour. And I have some more spice here. I've got cinnamon, I've got cardamom. So I'll just add about half a teaspoon each of those. And cinnamon is a good one for helping lower blood sugar if, like me, you have diabetes. But it's just a great, healthy and great tasting spice. And cardamom can help lower blood pressure. It is quite a strong flavour, so you don't have to add it if you don't like it. Okay, so it's all in the blender. We just have to blend it up now. Okay, so as you see, we now have a nice smooth beetroot and chocolate mousse. Now you can eat it just as it is, it's really nice, or it's really nice on fresh fruit, which is the way I usually eat it. Or you could just serve it in little cups, or another nice idea is to make little chocolate cups and you can serve it in those as well. And just top it with like grated lemon rind or orange rind or some chocolate shavings. or a little bit of coconut cream, and it makes a very easy and very healthy dessert that you can just treat yourself to whenever you want. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.